In this video I will show you step by step how you can fix your S Pen not working on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or any other Samsung device that does support the S Pen. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to go up and then go to our settings, and then from here you want to scroll down until you see the option for advanced features. Now advanced features will be located around the middle of the page right here, so select advanced features and then you'll be brought to this page where you can now select S Pen. Now once we select S Pen, as you can see there is many different options on here, and the one we need when our S Pen is not working or it's lost connection with our mobile phone is to first of all make sure our S Pen is in the mobile phone at the bottom. So if the S Pen is located in the bottom of the mobile phone, what we can do then is click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then simply select Reset S Pen. Now once we do this, this will take a couple of minutes to a couple of seconds. As you can see, it is now connecting for Air Actions. It does say that this may take a while, but once this is finished, that will then reset your S Pen and then you should be able to use it as you would normally. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.